Dino Wesson back up in here flexing. If y'all watching this video right now, pause the video, subscribe. Pause the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I got a heat check for y'all. Something old, but something worth reviewing. These are the Air Jordan 12 Wools. It's a pretty clean shoe. Do a little review. Alright, the upper is wool. On the tongue, it has the 2-3 on there, like always. The rope laces. On the back of the shoe, it has the embossed pull tab with the Jordan Jumpman on there. Jordan. It has this rubber overlay, dark gray, black 23. It has a black overlay on the medial and the lateral of the shoe. Gray midsole once again. Dark gray outsole of the shoe has the shank plate carbon fiber. Has the herringbone traction on these black pods right here. Black Jordan. Gray 23. Plastic. The plastic shoelaces, and right here, the loops right there are embroidered. So to me, it's a pretty solid shoe. It's one of my favorite ones that I have. Very clean, can wear with anything. They're very wearable. They clean to me. Tell me what y'all think about them. Just something, a little heat check that I got. Something I wear every now and then. Not a recent pickup. I wear these a few times, but just trying to give y'all some content. Alright. Pause the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Let's get right into it. Alright, these ones are sitting on StockX, I want to say about $225. Last time I checked, they're worth the pickup. Can't really go wrong with this colorway. It's a winter shoe, fall shoe. You can wear this pretty much all throughout the year. That's how I wear it. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Comment, get in the comment box. Subscribe, like, dislike. Hit that notification bell. Subscribe. Let's build up the Dino Wesson fam. Like always, Dino Wesson. Come on.